What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here with my Buick key. Oh, my precious, precious Buick. This is kind of your standard key for the Lacross Lucerne Oldsmobile 88. Anyway, this is a key cover that I picked up, and it has potentially some advantages that some of the other key covers did not have. Now, it comes with this lanyard here. I don't know that I'm going to need that, but you know what? If you are super proud you are driving a Buick, there are logos galore. I do like this kind of brushed gunmetal, bead blasted gunmetal look. That's kind of nice. It's got some nice weight. I would call this a TPU or something, and has a blue carbon fiber look, but it's not bad looking. I will give it that. And if I were really enthusiastically celebrating my Buick, well then I would definitely do that. Now this is TPU, and I also want to show you that it comes with this piece right here. And these are softer. There's a little bit of rigidity to them, but look at that beautiful iridescent blue. That's kind of crazy, huh? Like I said, geez, if you love blue, and I do, then you're going to love these, and they all kind of match. That's pretty good. Now you can see that it's just a faux finish, but I can feel it. It's definitely like engraved or molded into the top here. Almost chrome-like finishes on the side, and then we have that on the back here too, so these two pieces will go together. Now what I really like about this, other than it being soft, I don't want to bend it too much, I don't want to give it any crinkles like my face, but the front panel here is clear, and why I like that is that so many of these key covers have to have the buttons molded in because they can't do clear, right? So some of the silicone cases, some of the hard plastic cases, leather cases like that, and because of the various combinations that you can have on your key, they might not have the combination that you have. So unlock is up here for me, remote start, panic button. Even down here, sometimes it's two different buttons and then the lock button right there. So the nice thing about this is I can put this on, and it's universal because if I have the lift gate button right there and two buttons right here, the remote start down there, doesn't matter because I can see them all, which is really nice. And even though this is cut open here to show the logo through there, I actually think this will provide a little protection from inadvertent hits as well as moisture and things like that. Now, you can see we have a little opening in the back here, so I can take this piece and wedge it underneath the lip here. Adds a little overall thickness, just like Steady Diet at McDonald's will do. Let's see how it goes under there. All right, once it's under there, it's a nice sturdy fit, so that's how that goes on. And then you can take this, and you could clip this on, just like that. And now have, man, look at that, a beautiful blue keychain that is definitely celebrating Buick, for sure. So if you are looking for a quick, easy way to protect your keychain, add a little pizzazz, as well as also see what buttons you have on your particular remote, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
It can